In this video, we are going to continue working on our skill web by fixing the odd number polygon rotation issue, drawing lines from the center of the skill web to each of the outside vertices, and finally displaying the skill names around the skill web. If you have an odd number of skills, you'll notice that your skill web is rotated awkwardly. We're going to fix this by creating an offset in the skill web class. So we're just going to go to the bottom here and do rotates skill web. And then we're going to do self.offset is equal to math.pi divided by 2 times -1. Now we're going to go down to the draw method here and find your angle variable. And so what we're going to do is angle is equal to self.offset plus I times self.vertex underscore angle. So if you save and run that, you'll notice that our pentagon here is now rotated correctly, and the same should go for all of your odd number skill webs. To fill out the skill web more, we're going to draw a line from the center of the skill web to each of the outside vertices. So in order to do that, we're just going to go down here at the bottom, and we're going to do draw lines from center to outside vertices. So all of the outside vertices occur on layer 0. So we're going to do if layer is equal to 0. We're going to iterate through each of the vertices. So we'll do for j in range self.n underscore gone. And then we're going to assign each of the vertices xy coordinates to xy variables. So we do x comma y is equal to vertices j. And now all there is to do is actually draw the line. So we do self.create underscore line, pass in x and y, this is where the line starts, and then self.center underscore x and self.center underscore y, that's where the line ends. And just to make the line a little bit thicker, we're going to do width is equal to 3. Now we're going to save and run that. And your skill web should look a little something like this. Each of the outside vertices here should have a line going from the vertice, or going from the vertex to the middle of the skill web. Okay, so the last thing we're going to do is display the skill names around the skill web. So we're going to go up to our decrement variable here, and we're going to create a list of all of our skill names. So I'm going to do skills, then I'm going to do skill underscore names is equal to list self.skills.keys. Okay. So now we're going to go back down here inside of this for loop here. I'm going to create a comment just to make things a little bit clearer. Let's see, I'll say display skill names. Okay. So now we're going to set the skill names radius. So we'll do skill name radius, and for that we'll do label underscore r is equal to self.outer underscore radius plus 30. For this right here, you can put whatever number you want. Okay, so next we're going to calculate the skill name's angle. So we'll do skill name angle, and just do angle is equal to self.offset plus j times self.vertex underscore angle. Now we're going to calculate the skill name's xy coordinates. So for that we'll do a comment first. We'll do calculate skill name xy. Alright, so we'll do label underscore x is equal to self.center underscore x plus label underscore radius times math.cosine. Then we're going to pass in angle. And then we're just going to do the same thing for label underscore y, except change a couple things. change this to self.center y, and then change this cosine to sine. Alright. Now all there is to do is actually display the skill name. So we'll do display skill name, and we'll do self.create_text, label_x, label_y, and then set text equal to skill_names, and pass in j as the index. Okay. So now if you run and save your code, or excuse me, save and run your code, you'll see that near each of the outside vertices there is a skill name. I'm not really sure what this part of the skill web is called, but in the next video we're going to be drawing this. So stay tuned for that, and thank you for your time.